Hi guys, let's talk about optimal algorithm. First, let's know what is optimal algorithm. This solution selects the page that will not be needed or referenced for the longest period of time in the future. To better understand this algorithm, I prepare some example. Assume that there are four memory frames and these are the following page reference pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 4, 5, 3, 2, 6, 3, 1, 2. Let's now go to the simulation trace. Initially, all the frames are empty. Let's just symbolize it by a two dash line. At a time 1, page 1 is referenced. Every time, I mean, every time a main memory frames are being filled up, a page fault will occur. Let's represent it by a check mark. Page 2 is referenced at a time 2. Since there are pre-memory frames, page, page 2 is copied from the hard disk to frame 1. A page fault will occur because a memory frame is filled up. In page 3 reference, it is copied from the hard disk and paste it to frame 2. Page fault will occur. Page 4 reference. Since there are still empty frame, a page fault will occur. And at the time 5, page 3 is reference. There is no page fault because page 3 is already in the main memory. At the time 6, page 2 is reference. There is no page fault because page 2 is already in the main memory. As you can see, page 2 is in the frame 1. At a time 7, page 4 is reference. There's still no page fault because page 4 is already in the main memory. At a time 8, in here, we can apply the optimal algorithm. Page 5 is reference. Since page 5 is not in the main memory, a page fault will occur. A page fault will occur, which means that a page in the main memory has to be replaced. The choices for the page replacement are page 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking at the next sequence, let me highlight it. Looking at the next sequence, page 4 is the page that is not will be needed for the longest period of time. So page 5 will replace page 4 in the frame 3. Page 5. At the time 9, page 3 is reference. Page 3 is already in the frame 2. So let's just copy it. Page 1, page 2, page 3, page 5. I forgot to replace to replace the page 4. At the time 10, page 2 is reference. Page 2 is in frame 1. So let's just copy it. At the time 11, page 6 is reference. Since page 6 is not in the main memory, a page fault is generated, which means that the page in the memory has to be replaced. The choices for the page that is going to replace are 1, 2, 3, 5. Looking at the next sequence, we can see that page 4 is the one that will not be used for the longest period of time. So We're going to replace page 5. Page 6 will replace page 4 in the frame 3. Page 5. At the time 12, page 3 is reference. There is no page fault because page 3 is already in the main memory. 1, 2, 3, 6. At the time 13, page 1 is reference. There is still no page fault because page 1 is already in the frame 0. At the time 14, page 2 is reference. There is no page fault because page 2 is already in the frame 1. And just like that. That is optimal algorithm. I hope you learned something.